Welcome, in front of me is a SHARP B10, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through factory mode. So to get started, you want to hold the power key and then select power off, like so, and wait for the device to shut off. Now once it's off, you want to hold power key and volume down, both keys at the same time. So power key, volume down, and once you see the logo of the device, you can let go. So right about now, and we should be in factory mode soon. So from here you will use a volume down to navigate. Volume up does not go up, as you will see, and you want to select this option where you see eMMC, and once it's selected, all you need to do is press power key. Now on this device, it will show you that eMMC is busy, can't format for some reason. Please retry. It will do that a couple times, maybe actually go back to the factory mode, then you can select it again and retry it again, and it should, once it succeeds, it will just reboot the device, and after it's done, we should be then greeted with the setup screen. So let's try that till it actually succeeds. Now previously I tried it. It took me either 2 times or 1 time, like retry. So last time, this was basically the last try, like as much as I tried. So hopefully it will go now as well. There it is. So as you can see, it turned off, and now it should boot back up. And you can see that the process is now finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.